For the case, we've gone with the Corsair 4000D Airflow Mid-Tower case. The Corsair 4000D excels in providing exceptional cooling performance. Its high airflow steel front panel, designed with wide ventilation channels, ensures that your components stay cool even under heavy loads. The case supports up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm cooling fans, and it can accommodate multiple radiators, including a 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm radiator on the top. Building inside the 4000D Airflow is straightforward, thanks to the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System, which offers a spacious 25mm of space behind the motherboard for clean cable routing. The tempered glass side panel allows for an attractive display of your components and RGB lighting. The case also features a modern front I/O panel with a USB 3.1 Type-C port, a USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio microphone jack. Although the side panels can be a bit tricky to handle, the overall build quality and cooling potential make the Corsair 4000D Airflow a solid choice for budget-conscious builders. And finally, we now need